Hi everybody, welcome back to Stephanie CC's. I hope everybody is doing well today and you think about hitting that subscribe button. Now, I have a treat for you. This is a Lego set that we've been keeping our eye on for quite some time. It is a retired set now from 2018 and it is part of the Winter Christmas Village that we are building. So we are going to add this to it. But I wanted to show you guys before I got started, look at what we were able to get. It is the Winter Village Fire Station. So this was actually 2018's. Let's take a look at some of the detail on the box. Remember, this is the Winter Fire Station set. So these are some of the minifigures, or all of them that come with it. Someone playing hockey, a mother with her baby, and then the fire chief. So quite nice minifigures that come with this collection. Let's continue to explore the box. So remember, this is a 2018 set. So some of the little scenes that you can create. I love that snowman. And then there's the fire truck. This is also really nice, the skating rink. I especially love the statue with the frozen water. I think it looks great. And then here is what the back of the completed piece will look like. And you also get a bright light with it. I forget what they call their bricks. A brick light? Maybe it's a brick light that goes at the top right here. So a beautiful, beautiful set to add to any winter collection, that's for sure. And let's take a look at the front of the box. So just over 1,100 pieces. Wow, that's gonna look so great. We have Main Street now as part of our Winter Village. I think this will look really great. And they're called light bricks. So I was wrong about all of those potential names. Okay, let's take a look at how many bags we will be working with. So again, the fire station, Winter Village Fire Station. Here is your instruction manuals. You've got two, a small one and a larger one. And then here are your decals. Some of your decals for pieces throughout. Now let's start organizing these bags and see how many we have. One. Okay, so we have 3 bags already that are 1, 2, 3. 3, and 2. So now the last thing is to build this Winter Village Fire Station. So like and subscribe to come along and see what all of these pieces turn into.